So we got the idea for the GARDENA Garden Award when we've been talking to entrepreneurs and we see that they have a very clear vision of the future. And what it means is that it inspires us to adopt new ways of thinking and new ways of developing product and service.
I was invited out here to share our experiences and our expertise of the urban gardening version that we're doing in Brooklyn and try to share it with the rest of the world here at Spoga Gafa and at the GARDENA Awards.
We've been looking at hundreds of startups prior to the event. We created a short list and eventually we invited 3 startups to Spoga Gafa here, and for all of us they are all winners, but eventually we had to call one, which was FYTA. But I'm really hoping next year we will find even more startups and we're trying to disrupt together the gardening industry.
Yes, we are of course super excited and super happy to get the award. For us this will mean that we will get more exposure, that hopefully we will be able to establish more contacts into the gardening business, hopefully also create new cooperations with other businesses.
GARDENA Garden Award describes itself as a platform for added values for our visitors and for our exhibitors. I think it's an added value for everybody, and that was a pleasure for us being the host of this fabulous event.